The idea of a capsule wardrobe has interested me for years now. I like the thought of a curated collection of clothes that all work together and fit me well. A capsule wardrobe is a small collection of interchangeable pieces that are rotated each season. For some, this means having 37 items or less in your wardrobe, creating strict rules for yourself, and not being able to shop in between seasons. I know these restrictions won't work for me. For me, a capsule wardrobe just means that I'm more conscious of what's in my wardrobe. I'm not hugely into fashion and I never really have been, but since having way fewer clothes and only clothes that I actually like in my wardrobe, I find getting dressed in the mornings a lot easier and a lot more fun. For the most part, the clothes I have now are good quality, they fit me well, and a lot of them are thrifted. There are still a lot of items from Primark that have snuck their way in there. You can definitely tell the quality of the material is a lot lower than the rest of my clothes. It's bobbly and see-through and gets misshapen in the wash. I've promised myself I'm not going to buy any more clothes from Primark because the lifespan of the clothes is so short and it's not practical. But for now, I can't afford to replace those pieces and there's no actual necessity for me to do so. A lot of this for me is about consuming less, living more intentionally, and also freeing up space in my brain for other things. I'm not in a position to be going out and buying a whole new wardrobe every 3 months. But that's not what capsule wardrobes are supposed to be about. Minimalism is about making do with what you've got, focusing on the necessities, not being excessive, and being content with what you already have. And I think this wardrobe allows me to do that. It's also something I've learned a lot from over the last year or two, and I'm excited to learn more.